The inspiring transformation of Cole Prochaska and the battle that came after Cole Prochaska's story doesn't begin with motivation, discipline, or a perfect plan. It begins in a place many people silently struggle with, feeling trapped inside a body that no longer feels like your own. Living in South Carolina, Cole once weighed over 585 pounds. Simple daily activities felt like impossible missions, and even walking short distances left him exhausted. But what made things even heavier than the weight itself was the mental burden, the quiet frustration, the loss of confidence, and the fear that nothing would ever change. Then in 2021, something shifted. There was no dramatic moment, no miracle shortcut, just a decision to take control, one step at a time. Cole didn't rely on surgery, fat loss, drugs, or extreme crash diets. Instead, he chose one of the simplest yet most powerful tools available: walking. At first, even a few steps were challenging, but he stayed consistent. Slowly, those steps turned into thousands. Eventually, he was walking between 10,000 to 15,000 steps every single day. Alongside this, he completely changed the way he approached food. He adopted a high protein diet, focused on calorie counting, and learned to fuel his body instead of just feeding cravings. Over time, he introduced weight training, building strength while shedding fat. The process wasn't fast or easy. There were days of exhaustion, moments of doubt, and times when progress felt invisible. But he didn't quit. As months turned into years, the transformation became undeniable. Cole didn't just lose weight, he lost over 360 pounds. From more than 585 pounds, he brought himself down to around 226 pounds. It's the kind of transformation that most people would consider impossible. His face changed, his posture improved, and his entire life began to open up in ways he had never experienced before. But what many people don't realize is that massive weight loss comes with its own set of challenges, ones that are rarely talked about. After losing such a significant amount of weight, Cole was left with a new obstacle: excess loose skin. It covered his chest, arm, stomach, and legs. This wasn't just a cosmetic issue, it became a physical and emotional barrier. The loose skin made certain exercises uncomfortable and even painful. Running became difficult, not because of lack of stamina, but because of the physical limitations caused by the skin. Even after achieving what seemed like the ultimate goal, Cole found himself still feeling self conscious. The mirror reflected progress, but it also reminded him of the final step he hadn't yet been able to take. Determined to complete his journey, Cole decided to pursue skin removal surgeries. These procedures are complex, requiring multiple operations, often starting with the upper body, and can cost an overwhelming amount, sometimes reaching up to $100,000. For many people, this would be the end of the road, but Cole refused to let finances stop him. In 2023, he started a GoFundMe campaign, sharing his story with the world, not for sympathy, but for support in finishing what he started. What happened next proved just how powerful one person's journey can be. People from all over began to connect with his story. They saw not just the weight loss, but the discipline, the honesty, and the resilience behind it. Donations began to come in, and over time, the campaign raised around $82,000. It wasn't just about money, it was proof that his journey had inspired thousands of others to believe in change, in persistence, and in the idea that it's never too late to take control of your life. Today, Cole's story stands as a reminder that transformation is not just about losing weight, it's about rebuilding your life step by step. It's about facing new challenges even after achieving what seemed impossible. His journey shows that discipline beats shortcuts, consistency beats motivation, and real change comes from within. But it also highlights an important truth. Sometimes the hardest part isn't starting the journey, it's finishing it. Cole Prochaska didn't just lose 360 pounds, he gained strength, confidence, and a second chance at life. And while his journey isn't over yet, one thing is certain: he's already proven that no obstacle, no matter how heavy, is impossible to overcome.